Okay, back here on a Thursday, June 6th, College Lake County. We're at the WRForm, not to be confused with a windrow farm, it's form. And we got some settling. I kept saying subsidence, but that's not what it really is. But we got some settling, drop, not as much, which is interesting. I don't think I really packed it any differently, but you can see we are over 140 degrees. And so at our last temperature reading, it was only 90. So this is working out really well. And now we have baskets of some old, looks like turnips, bok choy, a lot of green. So they're clearing out the high tunnel, I believe. So we're going to put all this in. So that'll be cool. Cool addition. And I do believe there's room for it. And we had some really hard rains a couple of nights, and I like seeing that dry. I mean, there's a couple of wet areas. I mean, this cover is not perfect. There are a couple of holes, but for the most part, it didn't get washed out. So that is really cool to see. Are we ticking up any more degrees? Yeah, we're over 140 right now. Close to 146. Wow. Okay, this is cooking. And I'm ready to push some air in, which I'll do that as I am loading up the new greens. So that's making some great progress. Making some great progress on this. So, all right, I'm gonna get to it, add some air, and add some more material. All right, so all the items, all the veggies, turnips, and bok choy fit in there. Kind of heading down our slope a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. So, tomorrow I'm at another location. I don't know if I'll get a chance to come back here just to check on things. I'm not sure if they're bringing in more material. I may back up so I actually have something to look at. So, but you can see through the plastic that level we're at, sloping down there towards the middle. So we got stage 2, stage 1 still holding very well. I gotta start addressing that over there here soon. But they're still pulling a lot of material, so my focus is still on maintaining this, keeping the focus on that before I start moving out projects. So I'm just probably going to clean up here with a sickle, whack back some weeds, and maybe build up that platform over there with some wood chips, because we need to suppress the weeds. So right now that's a staging area, and I will be tackling that. Let me zoom in. I will be tackling that materials handling bag that has the pumpkin compost from last year. So get that screened this month then. All right, that's it for now.